Hello, see you on CaptainDIY channel. Today we have good content to introduce. Let's follow. Electric car charger. There are currently 4 modes as follows. Mode 1 is the power connection from the power supply, which is a standard socket. And then charge straight into the electric car. This mode 1 charging is not allowed by the electricity authority, because there is no protection system whatsoever and must have a current rating of not more than 16A. Mode 2 is to connect the power from the power supply through a standard outlet with the use of a protective control device in the line and have a current rating of not more than 32A. Mode 3 is the electrical connection from the power supply to the electrical system via an electric vehicle charger, a type of alternating current, AC, that specifically powers electric vehicles. Mode 4 is the electrical connection from the power supply into the electrical system through a direct current, DC, electric vehicle charger that specifically supplies power to electric vehicles. From the above information, there is an observation in using the electric vehicle charger in Mode 2. The specification states that the electrical connection of the electric vehicle to the electrical system via a standard socket, with the use of equipment control and protection in the cable control and protection device, ICCPD, and has a rating the current does not exceed 32A. The standard socket that supports 32A current is the power plug, or we know in industrial plug, which the power plug is commonly used in industrial applications or jobs that focus on high safety. Because it can be used with electrical equipment that consumes high current, many people commented that using with power plug requires some knowledge of electricity. Because the device must be checked regularly, this is the only correct understanding. Because no matter what kind of plug, we should have regular checks as well. Because electricity we can't see, the more it is a normal house plug, easier to find, cheaper, the more you need to check it often. It's not different from using power plug. In the next section, someone understood that electric car charging, no matter what type of charger you use, it only needs to be charged to 80% SOC, otherwise the battery will deteriorate quickly. But in reality could not find such, because with the properties of the lithium battery itself, no matter what kind useful life of him, it counts as a charging cycle. And most importantly, the main factor of battery degradation is heat, so charging or using it will cause heat as well. But there will be different deterioration from the value of pulling or compressing current into and out of the battery, which we call the C rate. Charging with a C charger generates very little heat, therefore does not affect the deterioration of the battery much, and most importantly, charging current into the battery is low in all phases of charging. It is different from DC fast charging that will compress a strong current in the beginning, especially the car model that can receive a lot of power. It will also be compressed to a very high current, as can be seen from Tesla, that can charge up to 250 kilowatts in some models, but for a short time, and only when the battery is very low, in order to reduce the deterioration of the battery from the heat itself. And when charging DC to 80%, some models may be up to 85%, 90%, then the current will be reduced to very low. It's almost equivalent to charging with an AC machine, making it take a long time, until it's not worth waiting to continue charging in case of traveling long distances. Therefore, it is the source of the recommendation that charging up to 80% is enough, but it depends on the distance that has to be traveled on whether to reach it or not. If not, it can continue charging to 100%. It is not wrong, or there is damage to the battery as with charging with an AC charger. But from word of mouth distorting the information that electric car charging, it only needs to be charged to 80%, otherwise the battery may deteriorate. I hope that the information in this clip will be useful to the audience. Please press and follow the CaptainDIY channel as well. Bye.